हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आरजी स्टूडियो चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मेरा नाम राहुल है, मैं एक टीचर हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एमपीएच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यूज की जानकारी दूंगा। ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं विभिन्न एमपीएच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम जैसे कि एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स जोधपुर, एम्स रायपुर और अन्य सभी एम्स, पीजीआईएमईआर चंडीगढ़, टीआईएसएस मुंबई, जिपमेर पौंडुचेरी, आईआईपीएच, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, सीयूसीईटी, जेएनयू, आईसीएमआर, निमहैंस बेंगलोर, हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी और अन्य सभी यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट जिनके लिए एमपीएच मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स होते हैं, उन सभी के लिए वीडियो बहुत अधिक उपयोगी है। और जो कैंडिडेट्स विभिन्न यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूट्स के मास्टर ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ एमपीएच एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और इसके लिए इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के पीडीएफ नोट्स लेना चाहते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोचिंग ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वो 9411513974 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी के लिए एक व्हाट्सअप ग्रुप बना रखा है जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें ताकि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन के वीडियो मिलते रहें और विभिन्न जॉब्स और एडमिशन के लिए जो नए अपडेट्स आते हैं उसकी जानकारी मिलती रहे। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। यहाँ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, मेन फैक्टर्स ऑफ हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ अ पर्सन आर। व्हाट आर द मेन फैक्टर्स ऑफ हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ अ पर्सन? ऑप्शन ए इनकम एंड सोशल स्टेटस, बी एजुकेशन, सी फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। मेन फैक्टर्स ऑफ हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ अ पर्सन आर, एक पर्सन के जो हेल्थ स्टेटस के मेन फैक्टर्स होते हैं उसमें सभी आते हैं, जैसे कि इनकम और सोशल स्टेटस, एजुकेशन, फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट, तो ये सभी उसमें शामिल होते हैं। हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ अ पर्सन में जो मेन फैक्टर्स हैं वो है इनकम एंड सोशल स्टेटस, व्यक्ति की जो इनकम है और उसका जो सोशल स्टेटस है, उसकी जो एजुकेशन है और उसका जो फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट है, वो सभी इसमें शामिल होते हैं। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, द हेल्थ स्टेटस ऑफ अ पॉपुलेशन कैन बी मेजर्ड बाय अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ फैक्टर्स, birth and death rates, life expectancy, quality of life, morbidity from specific diseases, risk factors, use of ambulatory care and inpatient care, accessibility of health personnel and facilities, financing of health care, health insurance coverage and many other factors. Next question number second, NRHM covers. What is NRHM covers? Option A, improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population. B, bridge gaps in health care. C, facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. NRHM covers improve. All the options are correct for NRHM. NRHM covers improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population, bridge gaps in health care, facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. Its explanation is NRHM, that is National Rural Health Mission, was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 12th April 2005 to provide accessible, affordable and quality health care to the rural population, especially the vulnerable groups. The Union Cabinet, by its decision dated 1st May 2013, has approved the launch of National Urban Health Mission NUHM as a submission of an overarching national health mission. NHM with National Rural Health Mission, NRHM being the other sub-mission of National Health Mission. Next question number 3, the Physical Quality of Life Index, PQLI, Physical Quality of Life Index, PQLI, that is combines 3 indicators. They are, what are the 3 indicators that Physical Quality of Life Index, PQLI, combines? Option A, infant mortality, life expectancy and adult literacy rate. B. Crime rate, clean environment and quality of housing. C. Air pollution rate, water pollution rate and sanitation. D. Health, education and environment. Correct answer is option A. Infant mortality, life expectancy and adult literacy rate. Here question is the physical quality of life index PQLI combines three indicators. They are, correct answer is infant mortality, life expectancy and adult literacy rate. Its explanation is the physical quality of life index PQLI is an attempt to create a practical measure of social distribution that will avoid the limitations of GNP, that will minimize cultural and developmental ethnocentricity, and that will be internationally comparable. It uses three indicators: literacy, infant mortality and life expectancy at age 1. Next question number 4. NRHM seeks to strengthen. What does NRHM seeks to strengthen? Option A, private healthcare system. B, public and private healthcare system. C, public healthcare system. D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, public healthcare system. NRHM seeks to strengthen public healthcare system. Its explanation is the main aim of NRHM is to provide accessible, affordable, accountable, effective and reliable primary health care facilities, especially to the poor and vulnerable sections of the population. Next question number 5. The Human Development Index HDI summarizes a great deal of social performance in a single composite index combining option A, disparity reduction rate, human resource development rate, and the composite index B, longevity, education and living standard, C, minimum schooling, adult literacy and tertiary educational attainment, D, human resource training, development and R&D. Correct answer is option B, longevity, education and living standard. Here question is the Human Development Index HDI summarizes a great deal of social performance in a single composite index combining, correct answer is longevity, education and living standard. Its explanation is Human Development Index HDI was created to emphasize that people and their capabilities should be the ultimate criteria for assessing the developmental of a country, not economic growth alone. The HDI can also be used to question national policy choices, asking how two countries with the same level of GNI per capita can end up with different human development outcomes. These contrasts can stimulate debate about government policy priorities. Question number 6. RCH stands for. What does RCH stands for? Option A, reproductive and child health. B, reproductive child health. C, researching child households. D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, reproductive and child health. RCH stands for reproductive and child health. Its explanation is RCH, that is reproductive and child health program. Reproductive and child health approach has been defined as people having the ability to reproduce and regulate their fertility. Women are able to go through pregnancy and childbirth safely. The outcome of pregnancies is successful in terms of maternal and infant survival and well-being. Next question number 7. Longevity is a proxy for dash in the Human Development Index. Longevity is a proxy for dash in the Human Development Index. Option A, health and nutrition. B, living standard. C, infant mortality. D, purchasing power parity. Correct answer is option A, health and nutrition. Here question is longevity is a proxy for. Correct answer is health and nutrition in the Human Development Index. Its explanation is the Human Development Index HDI provides a single index measure to capture three key dimensions of human development: a long and healthy life, access to knowledge, and a decent standard of living. The HDI utilizes four key metrics: life expectancy at birth to assess a long and healthy life. Question number 8. RCS Reproductive and Child Health was launched in which year? Option A 1992-93, B 1997-98, C 2005-6, D 2012-13. Correct answer is option B 1997-98. RCH Reproductive and Child Health was launched in 1997-98. Explanation is RCH, that is Reproductive and Child Health, is an acronym for Reproductive and Child Health. It is a program that aims at combating and reducing the mortality rates of mothers, infants and children, and was launched in October 1997. Question number 9. Janni Sishu Suraksha Karyakram is a new initiative launched in which year? Option A 2011, B 2012, C 2013, D 2010. Correct answer is option A 2011. Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram is a new initiative launched in 2011. Its explanation is building on the progress of this safe motherhood scheme. Another major initiative, Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram JSSK, was launched in June 2011 to eliminate out-of-pocket expenses for both pregnant women and sick infants. Question number 10. What do you mean by QALY quali? Option A quality adjusted life year, B quantity adjusted life year, C quality accredited long youth, D none of these. Correct answer is option A quality adjusted life year. What means of quali is quality adjusted life year. Its explanation is the quality adjusted life year or quality adjusted life year quali is a generic measure of disease burden, including both the quality and the quantity of life lived. It is used in economic evaluation to assess the value of medical interventions. One quali equates to 1 year in perfect health. Question number 11. Ayush stands for. What does Ayush stands for? Option A all youth and usual status health status, B Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, C accredited youth and usual special health care, D none of these. Correct answer is option B, that is Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Full form of Ayush is Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Explanation is Ayush, which stands for Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Naturopathy, Siddha and Homeopathy, is an acronym devised in 2003 to change the name of the Department of Indian System of Medicine and Homeopathy. ISMNH was created in March 1995 under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 12. Externality refers to. What is externality refers to? Option A third party effect, B inclusive growth, C social exclusion, D none of these. Correct answer is option A third party effect. Externality refers to third party effect. Its explanation is an externality is a cost or benefit of an economic activity experienced by an unrelated third party. The external cost or benefit is not reflected in the final cost or benefit of a good or service. In this video, I have given information regarding important multiple choice questions for Master of Public Health entrance exam, that is MPH. Students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exam like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar and other AIIMS, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPS Central University Common Entrance Test, COCET, JNU, ICMR, NIMHANS Bangalore, Hyderabad University, etc. And for this, if they want to take online coaching and want to take important question PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get the information regarding important questions, MCQs, and information regarding various jobs and admissions. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.